Hey everyone, today we're going to make some super simple dog treats. Now I have a dehydrator down here. I'll put a link in the description so you can check these out. I've had this like 10 years, works great. You can also use the oven. My oven only goes down to 170, which works. You'd want more around 155, 60 if you can go lower, but 170 works and you can dehydrate in there. Today I'm just using some turkey bacon. Now, of course, you can get regular meat that has nothing on it and slice it up. I sometimes use this. This is a more natural brand. There's only like a little bit of sugar and salt in it. First ingredient's turkey. And I use this sometimes because I get a whole pound here for like $3, which is really cheap in today's prices. So we're going to go ahead and get this turkey in the machine, show you guys what to do. And now that I have my racks filled, we're just going to go ahead and put this in the machine, close it up, and turn on the machine. My machine just has one temperature setting. I just turn it on, and this will take anywhere from 3 to 7 hours. These are pretty thinly sliced, and these are going to be healthier than most any treat you buy at the store for dogs. But again, you find some cheap meat that is just meat, not like a bacon like this, you can go ahead and slice that thin and do the same thing. Let's get cooking. So here's what we end up with, a big bag of treats. I'll just keep them in the Ziploc bag in the fridge. This many treats at a store, a big bag like this would cost like $10, and this was less than 3. Again, you can use any meat you want. The sliced turkey bacon is just so easy to throw in the machine and be done with it real simple and fast. Let's see how my dogs like it. Okay. He definitely likes it. Okay. All right, we'll see you guys later.